In other news, this week makes a year since the government launched the court's first unified nationwide electronic filing system, Folio e-filing as it's called. It went live on Monday, February 5th, 2024, during a launch at the Chief Justice's chambers here in the Capitol. Tonight, our Felicity Darville speaks with a retired judge who lauds the e-filing system, but explains it's not a quick fix.
We often report on the criminal proceedings that take place here at the Magistrates Court. But did you know that more than 10,000 civil cases are heard right here each year? Noted retired Judge Carol Munnings-Misiewicz puts things into perspective.
When I looked at the problem of the backlog, at that time, and it's probably more, 10,000 cases a year filed in the magistrates' courts. Okay, and you can, without us even extrapolating to do the numbers, if you think 10 magistrates, 15 magistrates, if it takes even 1 day to hear a case, most cases last longer than 1 day, most of them, right? Civil cases, you come in and you say, you admit the claim or don't admit the claim, and then you want to bring your witnesses, so you have to set a date for trial, and on it goes. But anyway, 10,000 cases filed. There's no way that you're going to hear all 10,000 cases, no matter how fast you go. Not to mention, if you file a case, you don't want the court system to hurry up and hear your case because they're just concerned about a backlog.
Judge Munnings-Misiewicz says everyone deserves justice.
You want a fair hearing. Yes, you want it in a reasonable time, but you need time to have your case, to bring your witnesses. If the case is set for a particular day, and then, oh, you got sick or your witness got sick, you don't want to go to court and they say, well, if your people aren't here, too bad for you. You know, case out the door, next. It's not an assembly line situation. Same thing in the Supreme Court, 3,000 plus cases filed every year. There's only so many judges, there's only so many courtrooms, there's only so many hours in a day. So I say that to say it's more than just, you know, hurry up and go faster, hurry up and work harder. These judges, they taking long. These magistrates, they taking too long. There's so much more to it than that.
With justice in mind, the government moved to introduce e-filing and digital documentation to the court system, a move that Judge Munnings-Misiewicz welcomes in a new era of justice for the Bahamas. Felicity Darville for the Bahamas Tonight.